Knowing the power requirements of a micro-high-speed centrifuge ensures that the lab can meet the operational conditions of the device. This information is crucial for setting up the centrifuge correctly and avoiding electrical issues. Power requirements overview. Voltage requirement typically operates on 110/120V or 222/40V AC. Importance matches the voltage available in the lab to avoid damage. Frequency requirement usually 50/60 Hz. Importance compatible with the local power grid frequency. Current draw requirement varies between models but generally less than 10A. Importance ensures the circuit breaker can handle the current draw. Power cord and plug type requirement standard plug compatible with local outlets. Importance easy installation without adapters. Surge protection requirement surge protector or UPS uninterruptible power supply. Importance protects the centrifuge from voltage spikes. Grounding requirement properly grounded outlet. Importance prevents electrical hazards. Understanding the power requirements of a micro-high-speed centrifuge is essential for ensuring safe and efficient operation. I will respond within 24 hours.